Good morning, students. Today we are going to study Chapter 8 Formula 1. Formula 1 is the highest class of international single seater racing sanctioned by FIA and owned by Formula 1 Group. The word formula in the name refers to the set of rules to which all the participant car must conform. A Formula 1 season consists of 21 series of races known as Grand Prix, which takes place worldwide on purpose-built circuit and on public road. In recent years, the season starts with the Australian Grand Prix and ends with the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. The race begins with a warm-up lap, after which the cars assembles on the starting grid in the order they qualified. The driver who records the fastest lap time in qualifying round is placed first on the starting grid. This spot is also known as pole position. When all the racing cars are on the grid, the system of lights above the racing track marks the beginning of the race. One by one, the five lights lights up and then go off together to mark the start of the race. In case of an incident that risks the safety of the competitor, race officials may choose to deploy the safety car on the racing track. This car circulates until the danger is cleared, with the drivers following behind, keeping to their positions as they were. Lewis Hamilton is a British racing driver who races in Formula One for Mercedes-AMG Formula One team. He is six-time Formula One world champion. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest drivers in the history of the sport. And the next comes Sebastian Vettel is a German racing driver who races in Formula One for Ferrari. He is a four-time Formula One world champion, having won consecutively titles in 2010 to 2013 with Red Bull Racing. Daniel Ricciardo is an Italian-Australian racing driver who is currently competing in Formula One for Renault F1 team. He did his debut at the 2011 British Grand Prix. Fernando is a Spanish racing driver who won the Formula One World Champion in 2005 and 2006 for Renault team. Michael Schumacher is a German retired racing driver who competed in Formula One and is regarded by some as the greatest of all time. Schumacher is the only driver in the history to win 7 Formula One World Championships, 5 of which he won consecutively. The most successful driver in the history of the sport, Schumacher holds the record for the most World Championship titles, the most Grand Prix win, the most fastest lap, and the most races won in a single season. A marshal is responsible for signaling track conditions by waving a flag to a race car driver. A steward is a high ranked official appointed for races to make decisions. The flags of Formula One. The first one is the yellow flag, which shows the danger on the track ahead. Drivers must slow down and be prepared to stop. The second is blue flag, used to warn a driver that they are about to be overtaken by a faster vehicle and they must allow the other vehicle to overtake them. Failure to do so results in a penalty. The next flag is the white flag, which shows that there is a slow moving car ahead, and then we see a red and yellow striped flag, which shows that the road is slippery due to the oil or water village. The checkered flag shows that the race is over.